What's good, channel? Niggas? Be back with another video. Let's get straight into law number 37, 40 laws power. What does it talk about? So, with this one, it's talking about be symbolic. You know what I'm saying? And be symbolic. So, what does this mean? So, it's basically like, remember, for example, I remember this example long back. I'm not sure which law it was, but I said you shouldn't argue with words, but with actions, right? This comes into play too. So what it say about the law policy, it says it's best to use experiences, symbols to convey what your case is, then use actual words because words don't do anything except make people more defensive and resistant. You see, like it says right here, like if me and you are having a debate and I say something that you don't like and I continue putting a case on that, you will become more and more resistant. You're like, nah, because let's say like ice cream is bad for you and say no, ice cream is bad. Nah, it's not, it's good. You know what I'm saying? You become more defensive, more and more defensive. So why do that when you can make someone where you put them in your shoes, treat them the same way you would how you get treated. So for example, if someone comes late, like let's say you're teaching and someone comes late to class, shouting at them doesn't do anything, right? The best case would be like I don't know, like I wanna say me you come late to class, but like with that being said, like the period where you are not there, you want to make it as hell as it can possibly be. That way, when you kindly say, "Okay, we understand now," right? So that's what I mean. That's what I mean by this. So like, but if you put them in, that's what the book says. If you it's best use appearances and symbols to convey what your case is. They use actual words because words don't do anything but make people more defensive and resistant. But if you put them in your situation, they will instantly understand, and at the same time, they will actually change their own thinking, which was what they've done, right? Right? That's you gotta understand that like arguing doesn't do anything, wastes time, energy, and peace of mind. Like, do you know the point to be in your peace of mind? In your peace of mind, like to get out of that, you need to go into your anger. Nah, like you see what I'm saying? That's like a lot of time wasted. That's why it's best for you just use symbolic, be symbolic, use symbols, use diagrams, use anything, illustrations and all that, real life illustrations. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Uh, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna finish the series, then we're gonna go to the reaction videos, and then maybe move at the same time, move to a different book. And yeah, I'll back at your work. Shit.